Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. So today's video, as you guys read on the title, is on January's BoxyCharm. I received my BoxyCharm a little bit late this month, but I got it here for you guys and I'm trying to get this video out before January ends. So if you guys don't know what BoxyCharm is basically a subscription box that will send you 5 full-size products that will cost $25 a month. The subscription box is $25 a month, and you get from skincare to makeup, a variety of different things on your monthly box. If you guys are not following BoxyCharm on Instagram, I will recommend you to follow them. They always give great little sneak peeks of what they will have in each month. If you guys are wondering what's on my lips, I am using one of the new ColourPop Luxe Velvet Liquid Lipsticks, and I did use Powder Room, this combo right here. So beautiful. And yeah, that's what I have on my lips, and anything else that I do have on my face, I'll leave it down in the description box below. So if you guys want to see what I got on my January BoxyCharm, keep on watching. So today's BoxyCharm theme is breaking the ice. It looks just like this. This is the little card that it does contain with, and basically a little description of each product that you'll get inside the box, as well as the prices. So I'm just gonna go in and dive in. I did already look inside my box. The reason why I have a full face of makeup was because I already did go in the box and looked inside. Majority of the stuff was skincare, so that's why I didn't really bother going and doing first impression / like a try on, because usually that's what I'll do if I know that my box will contain makeup that month. But I did receive 2 cosmetics and I will swatch them and somewhat apply them. I did receive the Too Faced Diamond Lights Fire Highlighter. It looks just like this, if this thing can focus. It looks just like this. This was retail for $36. So guys, this product already itself overmaxed what the box costs. Like I said, the box does cost $25. So for a product like this to be $36 and you only spend $25, you already maxed what you spent on the box, and you're not even like halfway through your box yet. So that's one of the perks that I do like about this subscription box, is that you will always get more for your money, if that makes sense. So when you open it up, it looks like a little diamond. It looks so pretty. So this one, this shade is called Canary Diamonds. I don't know if I'm saying that correctly. I'm always butchering something wrong in English, but this is how it looks. It's like this goldish, somewhat pink highlighter. It looks gold like right here in real life, but in camera it does kind of come off pink. I don't know why. I'm gonna give this like a nice little swatch, and yeah, it is a gold highlight. I don't know if you guys can see that. I don't know if my camera is actually picking that up, but I'm gonna apply some on my face because I do already have highlighter on my face. If you guys are wondering, I did use the Crush on You from ColourPop. I used these 2 pretty shades right here. That's what I have on my cheeks right now. So I'm gonna take a little brush, Wet n Wild, usually what I use for highlight. Take a little bit, dust it off, and apply some on my cheeks. Let me see, because I don't have a mirror. So I don't know if you guys can kind of tell it when you kind of move it a little bit. You do get somewhat of like a pink reflex. I don't know if you guys can kind of see that, but for some reason, maybe because it's mixed with my other highlighter, but it looks gold on like the back of my hand. So that is really pretty. Actually intensified my highlighter a lot more than what already was. So I am actually liking that. I like how that looks. So yeah, this is really pretty. I can't wait to actually like try this on my face with another look to see how it comes out. But there you go, guys. Say this, I'm pretty sure I did. This is the Too Faced Diamond Fire Highlighter, and it's retail for $36. So the next product is, let me take my little card. So the next product that I have here is the Manna Catter Beauty Lip Whip. I think that's what it's called. It is this lipstick right here is a matte lip color that is a whipped to perfection, easy to apply, and formulated with long-lasting pigment that don't dry out your lips. And this is retail for $21. I never actually heard of the brand before, but let me swatch. It's like a pretty berry color. So right there. That is really pretty. That will look really pretty with a smoky eye. Cannot wait to try that out. Okay, so the next product that I have here, it is the Advanced Skincare. Is an 8-hour Radiance Renewal Sleeping Mask. The 8-hour Radiance Renewal Sleeping Mask works to reveal more youthful and beautiful skin overnight. It also helps with tightening the skin and loosening the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Guys, this is retailed. You guys won't believe this. This is retail for $107. This is an expensive sleeping mask. Like, I don't know if this is picking up. This is an expensive sleeping mask. $107 for a sleeping mask. Jesus. So I haven't opened it yet. I don't want to open it as yet because I don't know when I'm using it. Follow me on Instagram, I Love It Beauty. I'll leave it right here for you guys. So when I do so, I can keep you guys updated. But I'm actually very interested. Like, I might use this tonight. This got to be a life changer if it's $107. Like, this is expensive. Like, Dios mío, this is expensive. Products. Two more products, guys. The next product is from Dr. Brett. I love this brand. This is the Skincare 24/7 Retinol Eye Cream. A little description about it is: all eyes are on you with the potent yet gentle light reflecting and age fighting eye cream, a perfection combination of retinol and ruby crystals complex that gives your eyes the attention they deserve. This is retail for $55. So guys, this is basically an eye cream that contains retinol. And wow, I'm actually very interested about trying this out. I'm actually almost done using my eye cream. So I might replace that with this one, and I'll actually let you guys know. And the last product, this is the Skin & Co. Roma Truffle Therapy Face Garment. I don't know if I'm actually pronouncing that right, guys. Yo hablo español. Like, a lot of these words are like, what? But this is basically a exfoliating cream, and it does contain a lot of good things, especially for like skin aging. It erases dull, lackluster skin. It reveals more luminous and healthy complexion. All that good stuff that you do want on an exfoliator. And oh my god, I am actually surprised they actually gave in a lot of like expensive skincare on this box, and I'm excited to try all of these things out. So this exfoliator from Skin & Co. is retail for $28, and this is a pretty like decent size. Like, it literally takes my whole hand. So I'm very surprised. So drum roll please. I'm so extra, I swear. I'm going to add up all these products for you guys right now, so you guys can see how much the entire box costs compared to what you spend on monthly. So guys, the cost of this box on January's BoxyCharm is $247. I am shook to the core because you only spend $25 a month, and you cannot go wrong with any of these products. I like the way the lipstick swatched. I do agree it is a whip consistency. I don't know how long lasting it is because I did not apply it on my lips, but I will keep you guys updated. on my Instagram. Make sure you guys follow me there. As well as for the highlight, I did apply somewhat a little bit, and I feel like it did intensify the highlighter that I already had. I do like the color. I feel like it is a little bit too gold for my skin tone, in my opinion, but I feel like this highlighter will be great to combine with other highlighters that are a little bit too light for me, so it can be like a perfect match for my skin tone. But I do like this highlighter. I like the packaging. I like the fact that it looks like a little diamond. You know, it is in a little box and it looks like a little diamond, and then when you open it, this highlighter is pretty big. Like the size of this highlighter is a decent size. And pretty much all these skincares, I will need to try them out and keep you guys posted. And yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like unboxing, if you like monthly subscription unboxing and like these type of videos. Let me know down in the description box below if you guys do have BoxyCharm. What did you guys receive in the month of January? I would like to know if it worked out for you. Did you enjoy it? Did you like it? Was it a win for you guys? Was it everything that you guys expected? Let me know all that info down in the comment section below. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys on my next video. Adios.